The Allen Bradley 1745-TCAT is an interface used with a variety of older Allen Bradley PLCs. This keyboard and line display can be used to run through ladder logic and make necessary changes to a ladder program. ERD has repaired these units since the mid-90s, and this particular one came into us in 2016 and is still working. After a full rebuild, we attached the unit to one of our test PLCs and then used the TCAT as intended and scrolled through the ladder logic in our test unit. At ERD, we've repaired thousands of Allen Bradley products over the years. From things like the TCAT to very large motor controls, we've repaired all the major categories. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.